Alright, well, today's video we're doing an update on the turkeys, the chicks, and we also got some guineas. I don't know if I said that before or not. There's the turkeys and guineas. We lost one the other day. You see, we think that big one there might be a rooster, which, considering we had one get sick and die on us, we need a replacement. You see the guineas. We got 5. We originally had 6, but we had a kitten get hungry and pull one out of the cage they were in. You can see our flower beds. We're still doing nicely. And trying to figure out, I was hearing the noise. Heard it several times this morning. It sounds like we got a chicken out. Or a turkey, but they're all accounted for right now. So right there you see the squash growing viciously. Collard greens we keep losing to caterpillars. We think we get them and then use stuff to supposed to organically rid them. See our onions that we hadn't harvested yet. Watermelons come along taking over and then we got our tomato plants. See a small pepper plant just hanging in there. But may get some sweet corn coming in. Of course, you see these chickens here. You see our peas and green beans coming along. Then our pots where we harvested our potatoes out of. That is a nice onion there. As far as the stem says, we'll dig it up. And then another one there. Celery. We've got sunflowers planted there, and then over there by that chicken pen is our yellow squash and zucchini. Cucumbers being overshadowed, cantaloupe overshadowed by squash. See a nice zucchini there. It's not ready, the flower hadn't fell off yet. And you see here, we're getting purple okra. 3 of the 4 plants. Got cucumbers there. Our black-eyed peas starting to make really good. Purple hulls showing some. Sitting in there. May have to take those eggs and toss them, because the rooster that was in there is the one that passed away. So it's laying time. Over here you see them all lining up to lay. Got some pepper plants there doing good. And then you see we got a few pepper plants here. These, the green beans are growing, or purple hulls are growing over into this. We're gonna have to do a trellis work for that, like we did over here for the cucumbers and the green beans and English peas. And you see my wife made that out of it. See, Brussels sprouts, we had a caterpillar get it more. Everybody likes the butterflies. So these tomatoes here, that plant is laden. That's what do you call it? a determinate plant. It's not a indeterminate. Indeterminate, your heirloom as people call them. Those are like this, and they just keep growing and making. You see this one. There you see a few tomatoes on it. And then I have some others here. I planted them along the fence of the yard. Oh, and these are starting to make. These are supposed to be grape tomatoes. So they should be doing really good. Should have a nice harvest. We dug the potatoes on Memorial Day. Of course, we planted them in January and February. Potatoes you plant when it's cold, same as onions. And we got 30 pounds of potatoes. I was trying to do a video, or did a video on that harvest, but that video wasn't able to share it. Said it was corrupted. All right, y'all have a good day, and I'd like to see some of y'all share y'all's gardening videos if you got it.